Hello and welcome back to Holder Flat. In this episode we are at the Nuts Corner circuit for the first day of the RSA's NI Winter Series Round 4. And as the light came up, the organisers were greeted with the nearly disastrous aftermath of Storm Garrett. But after a few phone calls, it was a local farmer to the rescue of the event, and it's 102 competitors. All classes are well represented, with the most popular class being the Junior Class 1, with no less than 20 youngsters ready to set sail. And there are some interesting names who have come along. The Moffat brothers Sam and Josh are here in Josh's current national title winning I-20 R5. Michael Cahill and Gary Kiernan have brought along their stunning Mark IIs also. So with the water feature now drained away, it's time to let them at it on stage 1. Josh Moffat blasts off the line in the combi left Hyundai. The multiple Irish tarmac champion sets the bar high on stage 1 to lead by 1.2 seconds. And of course, his nearest challenger would have to be his brother Sam. And we can clearly see here in these few clips where Sam loses the 1.2 seconds. What a stunning job the Signs.ie folk have done of Aaron McLaughlin's new Polo R5. Now it goes well and looks the part. And talking of well, Aaron is third fastest over the opener. Just 2.3 seconds further back and forth is the McAvoy Motorsport Fiesta R5 of Gary McAvoy. Fifth, we find our two-wheel drive leader Stefan McClelland. Stefan is the only one able to get close to the R5 machinery over SS1, as he sits 3.2 seconds off McAvoy ahead. It's the round 3 rally car winner Ben McFall in 6th. Even with this costly error, it's a great recovery to sit less than 16 seconds off the leader. Tommy Scally in the Renault 5 GT Turbo is 7th. Gary Kiernan is up next in 8th and looks to be having some crack. And it's the same case with Michael Cahill in 9th. With Darrell Brown's little C2 completing our top 10 over stage 1.
You must think that I'm a restless case because I ran away, because I ran away. If you listen to the words I say, you know that I'm okay, you know it's just a phase. Don't think I'm leaving cause I'm not at all, and if you get hurt it's unintentional. I just wanted you to realize that I'm the one you like, that I'm the one you like. So where do we go, where do we go from here? Where do we go, where do we go? I don't know. Where do we go, where do we go from here? Where do we go, where do we go from here? Where do we go, where do we go from here? Baby, I've been busy missing you. Say, have you missed me too? Say, have you missed me too? Was this intermission good for you? Yeah, was it good for you? Or are you just confused? Don't think I'm leaving cause I'm not at all. So if you get hurt, it's unintentional. And I know that what I did was typical. I just need a time to show you what you got. So where do we go, where do we go from here? Where do we go, where do we go? I don't know. Where do we go, where do we go from here? Where do we go, where do we go from here? Where do we go, where do we go from a sign from you, telling me you need me here just like I do. All I ever wanted was to make it through. Tell me, how about you? How about you? So where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go from here?
There is no let up in these terrible conditions that Storm Garrett is throwing at us. In fact, conditions deteriorate once again here on SS3, but that doesn't seem to faze Sam Moffat as he wins the stage and now leads by 2.6 seconds. Josh is now second and must have had a moment in here to lose 3.1 to his brother. Despite the atrocious conditions, Aaron McLaughlin goes second fastest with his fastest time of the day so far. Gary McAvoy is still pedalling on well in fourth. He's under 20 seconds off the lead. Stephen McClelland is still the best of the rest in 5th place. But Ben McFall has gathered the big Evo up after that stage 1 mishap and takes time out of McClelland in this one. Tommy Scally is still in 7th under 8 seconds off McFall ahead. Gary Kiernan is still our Class 9 leader and he's in 8th. With his closest challenger, Michael Cahill, back 1 place in 9th. And Darrell Brown in the C2 is having a hard time holding on to 10th, as he is now on equal time with that beast of a diesel BMW, Conor Gillespie. So after one of the most difficult days out there at Nuts Corner, let's see who made the most of it. And in the Class 1 Juniors, 3rd place goes to James McShay. Kyle Drury's just 1.6 seconds off a win in 2nd. And taking that win is James Kelly in the little Peugeot 107. Class 2, Shane Gibson has a good run to take 3rd place. It's Ed Davis in 2nd. But it's Morris Phillips who takes the Class 2 victory today. Class 3 in County Louth's, Jerry Woods takes 3rd place. Amy Coulter comes home in 2nd. It's a flying little Yaris of Robert Hazlitt that takes Class 3 win. Class 4 and Joshua Bird's Corsa takes 3rd place. Neil Capper has a good run to take 2nd. But once again, it's Danny Reid at the front of Class 4. Class 5, Gordon Dowling Civic takes 3rd. Eamon Power's EK Civic takes second. But Darrell Brown held on to take the Class 5 win. Class 6, Aaron Dara slides his way round to take third. The beautiful cadet of Alan Crockett takes second. But Dominic McGowan was a man on a mission today and takes the Class 6 victory. Class 7 and Christopher Long takes third place. William Power's Clio takes second. But it was Stephen McClellan to run away with it in the end. The diesel BMW of Conor Gillespie takes third in Class 9. It's the Escort of Michael Cahill in second. And Gary Kiernan slides his way around to take Class 9 honours. Class 10, Ian Lancashire struggled to put the power down in the big Subaru and he takes third. Tommy McLaughlin comes home in second. But it's that nimble little Renault 5 GT Turbo of Tommy Scally taking the win in Class 10 today. On to the big boys Class 11 and Aaron McLaughlin has fun to take third. Josh Moffat has to settle for second. And Sam does one better to take the victory in Class 11. And here is that overall top 10 from a very soggy day at Nuts Corner. Congratulations to Sam Moffat taking the overall victory. Once again, this wouldn't have been possible without the help of all the track team standing out in such atrocious weather. But not even Storm Garrett could affect their professionalism or their attention to detail in keeping this event running for all the competitors. And the final say must go to the local farmer that done a class job in emptying that massive puddle at the bottom turn. He was really the hero of the day, so thank you once again. So, until next time folks, it's Shackleton for round 5. Hold her flat.